So guys, on the left side we have the upper part of the app and on the right side we have the bottom part. Now suppose we want to apply a custom border to our video. For that, select overlay, the folder where you have your custom border. Suppose this one. Adjust the frame size and position. Now as you can see that our custom frame have a white background. So how to remove this white background? It's really simple. Select the layer, look for chroma key. Most of the time we use chroma key to remove green or blue screen, but in this app we can use it for any color. So enable the chroma key, tab on key color, from here select the white. Now adjust the bottom slider first, then the upper slider. We can also specifically see the masking part, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.